Imagine walking through a city where every digital sign not only grabs your attention, but also promotes environmental sustainability. Traditional signage, both static and digital, comes with high environmental costs. Static signs create waste, whilst digital screens consume a lot of energy. Digital screens can use up to 3,400 kilowatt hours of electricity each year, leading to significant energy costs and carbon emissions. But what if we could change that? Enter AI-driven digital signage, an eco-friendly revolution. AI optimizes energy use by adjusting screen brightness and operation times based on real-time data, like ambient light and foot traffic. It can even turn off screens during low traffic periods, drastically cutting energy consumption. AI also predicts maintenance needs, reducing the risk of malfunctions and extending equipment lifespan. This means less waste and fewer replacements. By analysing audience demographics, AI ensures the right content is shown at the right time, improving engagement and reducing the need for frequent updates. Traditional signs need regular replacements, but digital signs with AI can update content virtually, eliminating material waste. AI also schedules diverse content dynamically, reducing the need for physical alterations. AI enhances the use of renewable energy. It manages energy sources, ensuring digital signs use solar or wind power whenever possible. It also optimizes battery storage, extending battery life and reducing reliance on non-renewable energy. AI streamlines the supply chain, predicting demand and managing inventory efficiently. This reduces excess production and lowers the carbon footprint. It also helps select sustainable materials for production. Promoting a circular economy, AI ensures components are reused, refurbished or recycled. It monitors the life cycle of components and facilitates efficient recycling processes, recovering valuable resources and minimizing landfill waste. AI-driven digital signage is more than just a technological advancement. It's a step towards a sustainable future. By embracing these innovations, we can make our digital communications effective and eco-friendly, paving the way for a greener world. Join the sustainable revolution with Yodeck and AI-driven digital signage. For more insights, visit our blog at yodeck.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.